Hello there, Dee.
Hi, Paul.
So, well, you are an extraordinary evolutionary astrologer.
I
There,
try.
there can be all of these configurations of planets and things like that. I kind of go like that when I look at them, but then somehow with your perception, you just go right through and are able to perceptively just express something which really can be very meaningful and deep for people to receive and take into themselves.
Yes, it's almost like looking through an energetic kaleidoscope to be able to find just what sort of, uh, you know, real message these energy patterns have on you and your life. But evolutionary astrology is incredibly accurate and it's a very powerful tool. And essentially, when we run these workshops, we really want to be able to put some of these concepts into a really easy to digest essence so you're able to understand them more fully and see how they work in your life. And in this particular one, we're going to be dealing with human will, so our will. And the definition, of course, is we all have a connection to our sense of purpose and happiness. We all want something to either achieve or to experience. And it is the determination that we put into action that enables us to really get what we want. Now, of course, the human will, like with any sort of topic, has got its very good side and it also has its shadow side. And so we're going to be talking a lot about that in this workshop. And through the lens, I guess we're talking about the kaleidoscope that the natal chart or the birth chart gives. It will be through the sun because the sun is the source of our joy and how our relationship to our own happiness really does affect our will. And it also affects how we enact our will on other people.
Well, that all sounds very interesting. And so, this is the workshop called The Human Will, which you're going to be leading on Monday, which is very soon now. And I think it's on in the evening at 7 o'clock for Aussies living in the eastern coast. And that's about 8 a.m. in the morning for those of you who are in the UK.
Yeah. So this workshop would be really good for people who find it really difficult on how to put their dreams into action, and also if you're very curious to know what is in the way karmically on how you actually have a relationship with your own sense of will. For some people it can be very strong, but it can also be very destructive, and for other people their will is very weak and they always seem to be putting themselves in a place of servitude where their happiness doesn't make the equation half the time. So if this kind of relates to you and that's something that you'd be interested in, come join us. It's going to be a really good workshop. And we're going to be also incorporating meditations, readings, questions and answers. So see you there.
See you there.
Bye bye.